Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Jaboli's Garage. It's 5 a.m. right now. We're headed 2 hours to my buddy Zach's house. Got Anthony with us. We're gonna go hang out with him. I got a new motor for my LBZ, so we're gonna start taking it apart, getting it ready to head stud. All right, so now we made it. We're with Zach. Zach, say what's up.
What's up, baby?
We got Zach's roll cart.
Jesus Christ. Anthony, I'm just pushing this on you. You gotta catch it. What?
We see some damage here.
Oh boy, he's got the camera on, so you know it's going bad. You ready to catch it? Six! Ain't no damage around here, buddy. I'll see you guys later.
Don't worry. So this is what we're working with. We're gonna basically build the top end, use the stock bottom end, hopefully not snap a crank, strip it all apart. Actually, I'm my mechanic today.
Oh, Bookie. Jesus Christ. Hey, guess what? Check him out.
I think this is good progress.
Check it out.
You ready for this motor to cook you?
Maybe, we'll see. Like I said, I put some rocks down the oil fucking filling that club. Oh yeah, you like that?
What happened?
We broke it.
No good.
Oh man. Take two.
There we go.
There we go, Papa. Oh, that was nice. Don't worry about that.
You struggling? Is this how the trucks get built?
Yeah. Don't you worry, Papa.
There
Bam.
you go.
You like that?
That 1980s technology put it
You
into
like
work.
that, huh?
Well, we're not looking too lucky. All my injectors, almost every bolt snapped. These two injectors are pretty stuck. We haven't even worked on that side yet. Sad part is, I need my heads. How's it looking, Ant?
No good.
No good, Mr.
No
George.
good, Mr. George.
Why are we had to like tire spoon my?
Don't worry about it. It's all custom with a clutch. This is not how you're supposed to do this. Nobody take notes.
You're just saying this to protect yourself.
I do not do this on customer trucks. Gabe thought he had good heads.
Yeah, we need these heads, Anthony. Like butter.
Like butter, baby.
Look at these pistons, all nice and together.
For now.
Yeah.
For now.
You got my block looking spiffy, huh?
Yeah. Spit shining out here.
About time, buddy, to stop.
Hey!
Alright, and this is exactly how we're leaving the block. Pretty much just the bottom end. Stripped everything off, then I just gotta put all my stuff on it, get the head sent out to the machine shop, and go from there. Zach's giving us a quick tour of his place, so let's go check it out. So we got a side-by-side golf cart, like 100 grand worth of freaking RC cars. Like, look at this. What's this?
This is my stepfather's race truck. It's fully gutted. We got the whole inside fully gutted. Got all the switches, trans locker, converter locker, all that. We're running a 480 in this truck, 450s, and then we got a 14 mil in the Valley. So it's pushing some steam. It makes some power. It goes mid to low 9s. We're hoping to get it in the 8s, but in 590s this year. It went a 605. But like I said, we're really pushing for the 5s with an Allison in this truck, so it should be a lot of fun.
Alright, what we got here, Zach?
Alright, this is my truck. Basically, what it's got is a 476 100 overs, and then it's got a 4L80 in it. So we put a 4L80 in it just to see how it was shifting. I kind of rushed putting it in last season, so we didn't get too many results, but hopefully this season we could buckle them out. figure it out on that end. But this truck actually is getting the Allison back into it because the 4L80 is going into my next project that you'll see after this. But yeah, this truck went a 629 in the 8th, and that's on the stock bottom end, stock head studs. So, well, this is what it is. Here's my door.
You got quick disconnect doors. All right.
I'll see you later.
All right, what we got here, Zach?
All right, so this is the up and coming project. So this truck's actually gonna get the 4L80. I bought this one because it's got full fiberglass. It's got the Firepunk 4-link, and then it's basically got a lighter weight rear end. So instead of the 1150, it's got the 1050 rear end. Obviously, it's got the Viking coilovers in the back. It's got innovative brake kit with the billet hubs. So that's definitely nicer than what we're running in our trucks with the stock suspension. But this is gonna get 4L80, and then as well we got a engine getting built up with a billet SoCal crank, Carrillo rods, Carrillo pistons. We got definitely a lot coming to it. We're hoping to push high 1800 to 2000 horsepower with it, but we got to obviously dial in a lot with it. But it should be a fun little project for coming into the season.
Also got a whole fiberglass front end, fiberglass bedsides over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I really don't want to risk messing all that up, but got your work cut out.
Yeah,
on this one.
it's gonna be a fun project for sure, but it should be a bad unit. We'll see.
What's this?
That's a clapper. We don't talk about that one. That one's a different story.
What? The high country?
Yeah, that thing's a little clapper.
Motor of motors, huh?
Yeah, bad stories for most of them, except for the new ones.
Just motors laying around, backups.
Yeah, it's always a great time.
Yeah, he won't even give me one.
What a selfish asshole.
And there we go, lifting the block up.
This is gonna go great until you hit it with the tire and then it's cooked.
Well, we got a bunch of parts, got the dually all loaded up. I gotta tape up that still. Alright, that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope if you guys want more videos with Zach and see more of his stuff, make sure you subscribe because there's gonna be a lot more content coming out this summer. But please like, share, and subscribe for more. Till next time, peace.